Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about sequences. You know what is a sequence? Sequences. So sequence is a set of numbers or letters or objects which obeys made and written in order obeys a mathematical rule. You know what is a sequence? A sequence is a set of numbers or objects made and written in order, obeys a mathematical rule. A sequence is a set of numbers or letters written in order and obeys a mathematical rule. It's clear? Can you tell me as an example of sequence? Anybody? Let's look at here. I'm writing some sequences. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. What do you call it? It is natural numbers or counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Another one, even numbers. Yes, you are studying. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Can you tell me another sequence? 3, 7, then 11, 15, etc. So these are sequences. You know what is sequence now? A sequence is a set of numbers or objects made and written in order and obeys a mathematical rule. Look at this one. 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. It's another sequence different from this one. Look another one. 1, then 8, 27, 64, etc. It's another sequence. These are all sequences. Some of them having a constant difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So each term is obtained by adding a constant, a fixed number. So what is the term of a sequence? Term of sequence are separate numbers or letters. Separate numbers or objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These are terms. And terms are separated by comma. So each term, here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Each one is called term of a sequence. Then I hope you are clear what is sequence. So what is sequence now? A sequence is a set of numbers or letters written in order which obeys a mathematical rule. Today we are going to learn about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. We also call it AP in short. Arithmetic progression or AP. So what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is just like a sequence. You see, it's a sequence 1, 4, 7, etc. is an example of arithmetic progression. Look at this one. 1, 4, 7, etc. How will you form this sequence? How will you get it? Each term is obtained by adding a constant or a fixed number to the previous term, the preceding term. Here 1 plus which number gives you 4? 3. And 4 plus 3 gives you 7. 7 plus 3 gives you 10. These are terms or sequences. So each term is obtained by adding a fixed number or constant. That constant is called common difference. What do you call it? Common difference. Common difference. So each term of a sequence is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. It is called an arithmetic progression. Just take A is the first term and D is the common difference. Let A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then A plus D, A plus 2D, add D again, A plus 3D, etc. etc. Yes, look at here. A is the first term and D is the common difference. If you add D to A, you get second term. And add D again, 2D. 2D plus D, 3D, and goes on. Then what will be the last term, nth term? The 10th term is A plus 9D. 20th term, A plus 19D. Just subtract 1. What is nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. So, he is A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. A plus n minus D. These are the first n terms. These are the first n terms of an AP, an arithmetic progression. So how will you form an arithmetic sequence? By adding a constant to each term. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Suppose A20. What is A20? Somebody can say A20. Yes, correct. A plus 19D. A100. A100. Yes, A plus 99D. So each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. That is called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, the nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. The formula is An is equal to nth term, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So nth term of an arithmetic progression is An is equal to A nth term of an AP is equal to An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. The nth term of an AP is An is A plus n minus 1 into D. How will you find D? The common difference. The common difference, yes, second term minus first term or third term minus second term. Difference between two consecutive terms. So D equal to second term T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. The second term minus first term, or difference between two consecutive terms, gives you the common difference. Then I'm writing a sequence here. Yes, 7, then 11, 15, etc. So what do you call this sequence? 7, 11, 15, etc. Yes, it is a arithmetic sequence. Why? it has a common difference. It has a common difference. So what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence with a common difference. Yeah, AP is a sequence, in short, sequence with a common difference. With a common difference. Common difference. Here 7, 11, 15, etc. is arithmetic sequence because the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. So 11 minus 7 is same as 15 minus 11, etc. That is 4. This 4 is a common difference. Second term minus first term, or third term minus second term. Difference between any two consecutive terms. That's understood. What is common difference? Then look at the sequence 7, 11, 15, etc. How will you find the nth term of the sequence? N is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is the first term plus n minus 1 into d. Here a equal to 7 and d equal to 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Substitute here 4. 7 plus 4 into n, remove the bracket, 4n minus 4 is equal to 4n. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 4n plus 3 is the nth term of the sequence. The formula for nth term is 4n plus 3. For every arithmetic sequence must have, and every sequence must have a formula. Here 7, 11, 15, etc. The nth term is given by 4n plus 3. n equal to 4n plus 3. Look at the sequence here. Nth term is 4n plus 3. What is 3 here? 3 is the, yes, 4 is the common difference. That is 4 plus 3 gives you the first term. That is, first term is given by a1 equal to 4 into 1 plus 3. That is 4 plus 3 equal to 7. What is a2? Second term. 4 into 2 plus 3, that is 8 plus 3 is 11. So we get each term of the sequence by using this formula 4n plus 3. So 4n plus 3 is a formula for the sequence 7, 11, 15, etc. Then the term is given by n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a equal to 7, d equal to 4. So a 7 plus 4n minus 4. That is 4n plus 3. Then you can find, suppose you want to find 20th term, a20 is a plus, substitute here 4 into 20 plus 3 is equal to 80 plus 3 equal to 83. Suppose you're using a20 is what? A20 is same as a plus 19d, n minus 1 into d. n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a equal to, first term is 4 plus, first term is 7, 7 plus 9 into d, d is 4, 7 plus how much? 76 is equal to 83. So derive the formula, we got it 83. Also apply n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A20 is a plus 19d, that is 7 plus 19 into d, that is 83. Both cases the same. So now what is arithmetic progression? Find the nth term of arithmetic progression. Then we go to how you find sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms, first n terms of an AP. first n terms of an AP. We're going to derive another formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. Look at here, 3, 7, 11. These are in AP. Common difference is 4. Write this one in different way. 11 and add this number. 3 plus 7 plus 11. The 3 terms. Different rate. 11 plus other way. Plus 7 plus 3. You can see that 14 plus 14. All are same. That is how many 14s here? 3 into 14. 3 times 14. So this is Sn. Sn is equal to S3 equal to 3 plus 7 plus 11 is equal to how much? 11, 14, 11, 14 plus 7, 24. Here also 24. By 24 plus 24, you get 48. This is 3 plus 7 plus 11. How much is 21? This is also 21. Total is 2S 2S3 is equal to 42. S3 is equal to 42 divided by 2 is equal to 21. Same way, I will show you how to derive this formula. Sn is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus etc. Last time is a plus n minus 1 into d. You write Sn, write in last term first, then the next term. Last term is a plus n minus 1 into d plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus etc. The last term is a. You are writing first n terms, then the reverse, and adding Sn plus Sn is 2Sn is equal to first term for the first two, a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Look at second and second here, the second one. You get plus a, 2a plus n minus 2 plus 1 n minus 1 into d plus etc. Last one, a plus a is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you are writing first n terms of AP, a plus d plus a plus 2d plus etc. a plus n minus 1 into d. Write in the reverse order. Last one first, a plus n minus 1d plus the number next one is n minus 2d. After adding d, you get n minus 2d and a plus n minus 3d etc. The last one is a. Adding together Sn plus Sn, adding what do you get? 2Sn is equal to a plus n minus 1d, 2a plus n minus 1d. Then a plus d plus a plus n minus 2d is again a plus a, 2a, n minus 2 plus 1, n minus 1d. Last one, a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. There are how many are there? There are n, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 1, 2, 3, there are n terms. So each one, then we get Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula for first n terms of an AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. So now you have learned two formulas of an AP. An is equal to how much? Yes, a plus n minus 1 into d. Then Sn is equal to 2 n by 2 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So today we study two formulas to find nth term of an AP and sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP. So Sn, you can rewrite Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a, you can split a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn can be written as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. 2a is same as a plus n minus 1 into d. Is equal to n by 2 into a stands for the first term t1 plus what is a plus n minus 1 d is nth term. A plus n minus 1 d is nth term an. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. So you can write tn. An is same as tn, nth term. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. So t1 plus tn or a plus an. Anything is okay. So n by 2 is equal to first term plus last term. For two ways you can find, if you know first term and last term, a number of terms, you can find sum of n terms of an AP. Sum of n terms of an AP is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term. Or apply the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you know first and last, this one is simple. Get the answer. That is about AP. Then how will you find number of terms in AP? Number of terms in AP. N is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an minus a is equal to n minus 1 into d. You are going to look for n is equal to nd minus d. So what do you get? Or you can simply write d is equal to n minus 1 is equal to an minus a divided by d. N is equal to an minus a divided by d plus 1. That is last term minus first term t2 minus t1 divided by common difference plus 1. So number of terms of AP, n is equal to last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. So in AP, n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You solve for n minus 1 d equal to an minus a. You bring this a this side, this minus a. Then n minus 1 is equal to an minus a divided by d. That is n is equal to minus 1 goes this side, become plus 1. N is equal to t2 minus t1, not t2, tn minus t1 divided by d plus 1. N stands for nth term tn minus t1 divided by d plus 1. Last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. That gives you number of terms of AP. So today we have studied the formulas of an AP. Summarize. What is an AP? So AP is a sequence. AP is a sequence with a common difference. AP is a sequence with a common difference. C. And nth term n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is also same as or n by 2 into first term plus last term. And number of terms n is equal to last term tn minus t1 first term divided by common difference plus 1. Where d stands for second term minus first term or third minus etc. So that is about AP. Now we can do a few questions. You are given an AP 5, 8, 11, etc. You see that this is an AP. What's the common difference? First term is A. Common difference D equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Suppose you want to find nth term A20. So what do you do? Apply the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is A is 5 plus n is 20 minus 1. D is 3. So 5 plus 19 into D is equal to 5 plus 57 is equal to 62. That is A20 is equal to 62. It is A plus 19D. It is 5 plus 57 is equal to 62. Suppose you want to find S20, sum of 20 terms. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into first term plus last term, T1 plus Tn. Here S20 is equal to n by 2, 20 by 2 into T1 is 5 plus Tn, what is Tn? 62. T20 is 62, it is 10 into 67 is equal to 670. So sum of n terms of this AP is n by 2 into first term plus last term. That is 5 plus 62 is 67 into 10 is 670. Okay. So write down some questions. You can do it at home and study these formulas. Read about AP. I hope this is clear, all of you. Yes. Just write down, take down some questions. Find yes T20. You are given AP. You are given AP 4, 9, 14, etc. Find T40 and S40. Second question. We are given sequence 7, 5, so decrease in sequence 7, 5. What is the next number? 2 is decreasing, 3, etc. Here common difference is negative and sequence is decreasing. Here is a decreasing sequence. Common difference is negative. Find T10, then S50. So try this question and also find the number of terms. The sequence in AP 2 and 2, 9, 16, etc. It is minus 5. 345. Find number of terms in the sequence 2, 9, 16, etc. 345. So write these questions and that is today's lesson. So have a good day. Thank you.